Apple just dropped a new software update for your MacBook, and if you're still running that old first generation M1 chip, you are going to want to see this because today I'm installing macOS Tahoe 26.6 on my MacBook Air M1, a laptop that's now over 5 years old, and I'm putting it through a full Cinebench test before and after to see if this security update is actually doing more than it says. Stick around till the end because the results genuinely surprised me. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.6 and it comes in at around 8.48 GB. According to Apple's release notes, this one's mainly focused on security fixes and optimizing the Spotlight Index to prepare for macOS 27. Yes, you heard that right. Apple is soon releasing macOS 27. By the end of this video, I'll show you the Cinebench scores before and after the update, plus my honest observations after actually living with it on my MacBook. Let's get into it. So I started the download, and once that finished, I started the installation right away. Now a quick bit of context. With the previous update, I personally didn't run into any major issues on my MacBook Air M1. That means the problems I was facing before still continue, but I haven't encountered any new ones. If you have already updated your MacBook, drop a comment below and let me know how it's performing. It genuinely helps other viewers decide whether to update or wait it out. Here is the thing that actually impresses me. Even this first generation M1 Air is still getting timely updates. This laptop was released all the way back in November 2020 and Apple's still keeping it in the loop. That's rare in the tech world and it deserves credit. But, and this is where I have to be honest with you, update quality lately has felt like it's slipping. Not just on this model, but across other MacBooks too. More bugs, more inconsistencies, things that used to just work don't always work as smoothly anymore. So yeah, updates are showing up on time. Whether they are as polished as used to be, that's a different story. Back to the update itself, the installation took about 20 minutes start to finish, pretty standard. After using it for a few hours, here is where things stand. My MacBook is running normally, no abnormal heating, no app crashes, no weird bugs that I have personally run into so far. Whatever problems I had before are still the same, no improvement from what I have observed. Alright, here are the Cinebench scores before and after the update. You can see the numbers right there on the screen. Now a quick disclaimer, these scores can vary from user to user depending on background apps, thermal conditions, battery health, and a bunch of other factors. So treat this as informational, not a guarantee of what you will see on your own machine. So that's macOS Tahoe 26.6 on the MacBook Air M1. I'm waiting to test the next version macOS 27 on this machine and I'll share how things are going. So if you don't want to miss that video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. If you have updated and noticed any issues on your end, I genuinely appreciate you sharing them in the comments. It helps me and it helps everyone else watching this trying to decide whether to hit that update button. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. It helps this reach more MacBook users who need to see it. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.